Money security is very important, so today we will be speak about Binance security and how to protect your account. I will show you two options to secure your Binance account. First will be Google Authenticator and second will be Anti-Phishing Code. Interesting? So let's start. First option what I want to spoke today is Google Authenticator, and to enable this and enable another option to secure your Binance account, log in to your Binance account. Next, go to your menu, and from menu select security. Here we have all options available to enable to protect your Binance account. So like you see, we have security key is by YubiKey, Binance Google Authenticator. We will be using this like first option to protect your account. We have phone number verification, email address verification. Phone number and email address I have enabled. This was automatically enabled when I created this account. Device and activities, so login password, winner whitelist, anti-phishing code. And anti-phishing code will be second option what I will show you today. More option, you have advanced security, device management, so you can see what devices are currently logged to this account, and account activity. This is not today topic. Today topic will be of course Binance Google Authenticator. So to enable this, push button enable. Now we need download Google Authenticator application for your phone. Of course, this application is available for iOS and Android device, and you can scan this QR code to download is from your store. And when you will be have installed this on your phone, push button next. In this step, we got our QR code and code what we'll be using to enable Google Authenticator, and very important, you need to secure this code someplace. For example, you can print this and secure, because if you will be changing your phone, or if you lose your phone, to revert access to this account, you will be need this QR code and this code to revert your Google Authenticator. So this is very important to secure this data and not put in the same place where you have your login and password to this account. So this code should be in another secure place. So if you print it, if you save it, if you encrypted this, whatever you done with this to secure this, we can go forward. So next step is go to your application on your phone, push button plus on the bottom corner. This is from iPhone. I don't know how it's look on the Android, but I think it's very similar. And we have option to scan a QR code or enter a setup key. So you can manually put this key what you see on this search screen, or you can simply use your camera to faster scan. So I use option to scan. So here, like you see, my application is configured. Now I see code what is regenerated every half of minutes, and this code will be used to protect your account. So when you will be login to your account, you will need to type login, password, and type from your phone this code. This code is changing, like you see, every half minutes. So you will be need type this in the form. When you have this prepared, push button next. And here we have reminder what I spoke a little before. So save the backup key in a secure location. This key will allow you to recover your authenticator should you lose your phone. Otherwise, resetting Binance Google Authenticator will take at least 7 days. So like I spoke, secure this QR code with this code. It's very important. When you done this, push button next. In this step, we need confirm our email, phone, and authentication code to enable this option. So first, email. So push button get code and go to your email inbox to get code and type here. Next is phone number verification code. So push button get code. On your phone assigned to this Binance account should get code. And now last step, authenticator code. So go to your Google Authenticator application, to this Binance row, what you configure, and type your code and push button next. Congratulations, your Binance account is better protected. So back to security, and like you see, Google Authenticator is on. To remove or change, you can use these two buttons, but now I show you how to log in with Binance Google Authenticator. So I log out from this account. Now to log into your Binance account, type email, password, and this is first step. And now like you see, we have option to make verification, is phone verification, or you can switch to Binance Google Authenticator. So you can switch and type here your code. And voila, we have access to our Binance account. Next option to secure your account is anti-phishing. To enable this, we go a little below. Here's option to enable anti-phishing code. Why we want to enable this? Because sometimes hackers or person who want to steal your data, your money from accounts, send to you emails from their email address, but design of this email is copy of original email from example Binance, because we speak today about Binance, so this will be copy of Binance account. Difference will be, for example, link to original web page. So when you click to this link, we will be redirect to a copy of Binance web page, and when you want to log into this web page, you send your login and password to this person who want to steal this information. Let's go to anti-phishing code and we set up this. Push button enable. We have a small explanation what is anti-phishing code. So what is anti-phishing code? Anti-phishing code is a code that helps prevent phishing attempts from fake Binance website or email address. So like I spoke. How does it work? Once you have set you a unique anti-phishing code, it will be included in all official Binance emails. So push button create, and now type here your unique anti-phishing code. Very important, this should be only for your knowledge, not share this information with somebody. This should be unique for this web page, and of course secure this code for yourself to can confirm is the same code what you set. So for example, you can type here whatever you want. You can type subscribe me or I don't know. You need to figure out some sentence, and remember this code is from 4 to 20 characters, so it's not can be longer. Type here. For my example, I put here test, and I push a button submit. Now I need to confirm this by Google Authenticator, and that's all. Now it's configured. Now I show you how it's work. Like you see, I got email from Binance. I tried login from my browser in incognito mode to get this email for test. So take a look here, anti-phishing, and here is my code what I set. So this is confirmation for me. It came from my account, and this came from original Binance account. Of course, test is very simple, and not putting here test. Put here some unique for you, and only you know what is in anti-phishing. Here is only for testing purpose set, so you now know how it's working. And we have two very nice methods to protect your money, your cryptocurrency on your Binance account. So first is Google Authenticator to protect and type code from your phone. Second is to nobody stolen your information, and to confirm you get emails and you go to original web page and you see anti-phishing code on your emails. And you can confirm. If you have any question about this method for security your Binance account, put these comments below this video. If you have another question about security, put this question too in comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and have notifications, and we will see you in the next one.